with me, I lay you down straight away. You stand just for air, trying to think of a couple lines, man, that you can try to burn, that you can try to dig, but you can't compete on the shit. Yeah, y'all know that's how it broke. Goddamn dude, I'm here with the chronic Prince, got my back. Right, cat, we gotta roll on them one, just like that. It's gonna be 1 pop, 2 pop, 3 pop, 4. Done, need no more. You'll be dead. I'll be hitting you up before you're hitting the floor. Oh, look, you're dead. Here's a napkin. You clean yourself up. I should just let you know I don't give a fuck who you are, where we be. I'm D.O.D., man. I ain't no wannabe. I'm straight up OG from Winnipeg. Never laying down for the wannabe. Gotta be. I'm an OG from back in the day when hustling got your pay, got your leg, built your rep, got your respect. Now all these motherfucking wannabes hitting the deck. Peace. This is D-Doggy from D-Doggy Records. Legalize 420. Chronic Troop. So